Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video of Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best printer for stickers. Stickers are a fantastic way to express your creativity, whether it's for personal use or business purposes. But to create amazing stickers, you need a reliable printer with the right specifications. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 printers that have been rated for their quality and ability to produce stickers. We have also included the links to each printer in the description section so you can easily purchase them. The best part? provided links are regularly updated in order to provide the best prices for you. So without further ado, let's begin! Number is 1. Canon PIXMA Pro 100. The Canon PIXMA Pro 100 is a professional-grade printer that is perfect for those who need high-quality, vibrant stickers. CTA1, you can get it on Amazon for a fair price, and the link to this printer is given in the description. This printer features an 8-color dye ink system that ensures accurate color reproduction, a wide color gamut, and smooth gradations. With its ability to print up to 4800 by 2400 dpi, the PIXMA Pro 100 delivers stunning, gallery-quality prints that are sure to impress. Another standout feature of the PIXMA Pro 100 is its compatibility with various media types. Whether you want to print on glossy, luster, or matte paper, this printer can handle it all. It even has a CD/DVD printing feature, which is great for creating custom discs with your designs. The PIXMA Pro 100 also comes with a range of software that helps you get the most out of your printer, including Canon's Print Studio Pro plugin, which allows you to print directly from Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. So if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 2 is Epson SureColor P800. The Epson SureColor P800 is another top-of-the-line printer that is perfect for printing high-quality stickers. This printer uses 9 Ultrachrome HD ink cartridges to produce stunning results with deep blacks and smooth gradations. With its ability to print up to 2880 by 1440 dpi, the SureColor P800 delivers sharp, detailed prints that are perfect for professional use. The SureColor P800 also has a range of features that make it a versatile option for sticker making. It can handle a variety of media types and sizes, including roll paper, and has a maximum print width of 17 inches. It also has a front-in and front-out paper path that eliminates the need for rear feeding, making it easier to use in tight spaces. Plus, its intuitive 2.7-inch touchscreen display and wireless connectivity make it a convenient option for those who want to print from their mobile devices. So if you are inquisitive about this printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is HP Envy 4520. The HP Envy 4520 is an affordable and versatile inkjet printer that is perfect for beginners who want to print their own stickers at home. This printer can print up to 4800 by 1200 dpi, delivering vibrant and high-quality prints. It also has a built-in scanner and copier, making it a great all-in-one option for those who need multiple functions. One of the standout features of the Envy 4520 is its wireless connectivity. You can easily print from your smartphone or tablet using the HP Smart app or even print from your social media accounts. The Envy 4520 also has a compact design, making it a great option for those with limited desk space. So if you like this printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Brother QL820NWB. The Brother QL820NWB is a compact and versatile label printer that is perfect for those who need to print a large volume of stickers quickly. This printer can print up to 110 labels per minute at a resolution of 300 by 600 dpi, making it a great option for those who need to print stickers in bulk. To get one for yourself, you can click on the link given in the description below. One of the standout features of the QL820NWB is its wireless connectivity, which allows you to print from your smartphone or tablet using the Brother iPrint Label app. It also has a range of label sizes and types, including continuous paper, die-cut labels, and even fabric iron-on labels. Plus, it has a built-in cutter that automatically cuts your labels to the desired length. So if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 Smartphone Printer. Need an easy and fun way to print your favorite photos directly from your smartphone or tablet? Look no further than the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 2 smartphone printer, the best printer for stickers today. With its Bluetooth connectivity, you can print photos instantly from your smartphone or tablet. And, with various frames and filters available, you can add some excitement to your prints and make your memories last a lifetime. Plus, with the Mini Link 2 Soft Pink, you can even print a QR code to your image, revealing the sound by scanning the QR code. The Mini Link 2 also features a variety of creative printing modes, including doodles and shapes, sketches, and stickers so that you can add some extra possibilities to your photos. And, with its compact and lightweight design, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and USB charging capability, the Mini Link 2 is easy to use and ready to go wherever life takes you. The Mini Link 2 comes with 20 Instax films designed for printing photos instantly with the Fujifilm Mini series, so you can enjoy watching your images develop practically before your eyes. And, with its bright and beautiful frames and stickers, this printer is perfect for big parties or intimate family gatherings. So if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link given in the description to purchase it right now. Number 6 is HP SPROCKET Studio. Are you someone who loves to capture memories and instantly turn them into physical keepsakes? The HP SPROCKET Studio Plus Instant Printer is the perfect solution for you. With the ability to print full-size, lab-quality photos from your smartphone or social media, you can now have physical copies of your cherished memories in just a few clicks. What's more, you can customize your prints with cool filters, frames, and stickers using editing tools on the HP app. The app even has augmented reality fun and templates for albums, greeting cards, photo IDs, and collages. With its compact styling, this printer is perfect for those who want less clutter and more life. You can plug it in for continuous use or go wireless and enjoy up to 80 prints on a single charge. SPROCKET Studio Plus supports multiple users at once. Additionally, you can easily connect your mobile device to the Wi-Fi-enabled printer using the user-friendly HP SPROCKET app. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best printers for stickers. If you want to purchase any of these best printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.